titanium bar is like a steel bar, is actually the raw material for making the root of the tooth. The doctor suspends the root into the patient's jawbone like a screw. Then the denture is fixed to the root. The bone becomes integrated with the denture over time. To make these titanium roots, first, a metal rod is inserted into a long tube-like device. The machine carves out the threads for screwing into the patient's jawbone. When finished, it is then sectioned off and another drill bit is used to hollow out the root. The threads are carved into the interior for subsequent attachment of the tooth. The robot then removes the root and takes it to the cleaning station. The camera here takes pictures of the root from multiple angles. Then the computer analyzes it to make sure the dimensions are exactly right. The robot then places it on a tray. When the tray is filled with roots, the worker puts a steel cap on it. Then it is fixed in a metal bar. Then it is put into a steam cleaning machine that evaporates a solvent to remove the lubricant left by the root during the cutting process. When finished, the robot puts the roots into an acidic solution. The different voltages of the electric charge will show different colors. This is used to mark the type and diameter of the root. The next step is to send the root to another tray and tighten the machine. The tray is turned over so that the roots enter the acidic solution. The surface is lifted and treated. This process creates multiple microscopic holes in the root surface. The roots are bonded to the patient's jawbone. The worker then performs a final cleaning of these roots. The roots are then locked onto a tray. The worker places them in a hot water tank. The machine releases high-frequency sound waves into the water. This creates bubbles and waves of water to clean the roots. Finally, the titanium roots are sterilized and placed into the patient's jawbone. The doctor places the root into the patient's jawbone. A custom-made ceramic canister is then fixed in place. The patient can then open his mouth and smile. Do you think this procedure is painful?